Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're having a wonderful new year so far. I'm really excited today because I have my first piece of PR that came in for my YouTube channel, and I'm going to be doing a review on the product. So a couple months ago, I came across this brand called Majik Stick because they started following me on Instagram, and I wanted to see who they were and what they were about. And I found out that they were a CBD company, which is cool because there's a lot of CBD popping up these days. So I thought it would be interesting to check them out. After looking at their website and looking on their page and looking at all their info, I messaged them and was talking to them about the product because at the time I was going through some really painful TMI, period cramps, whatever, all women have them, so. But I was having some really painful cramps, and I get them to where I can't even get out of bed because they're so bad. So I take CBD daily for that, which I've also noticed helps with anxiety and all that stuff. But that's my main point of taking CBD is to control that because I already take, CBD every day. I also take during my periods, I take ibuprofen, which is a prescription high dosage, and I take Tylenol, and it's still as bad. So I also have CBD lotions. I have CBD gummies for sleeping. I'm really interested in it because I find that it's really interesting how this specific plant can really help and be beneficial. So like I said, I was really interested in it and I was talking to them about it, and I found out that they've had a lot of customers that also use it for menstrual cramps, and they've found relief with it. So then I was like, hey, would you guys be interested in exchanging a product for a review? And luckily they were super stoked about that. So here we are today. It's been a couple weeks now, and I wanted to make sure that I used it during my period so that I could provide my honest feedback on using it for that, as well as using it for muscle cramps or anything like that. So yeah, that's why I'm here today, because I wanted to tell you guys all about it. Like I said, the product is called the Majik Stick. It's their one and only product that they have. I'm sure as time goes by, they'll probably come out with more products, but for now they just have the stick balm. This is the packaging for it. It's really cute. I actually love the color, and I like their logo for Majik Stick. I think that's awesome. So like I said, it's a CBD balm. It's for pain relief. On the back, it shows the benefits, which are for inflammation, dry skin conditions, localized joint pain, localized muscle pain, and soreness. And it says the directions are to apply generously and as often as needed to the affected areas. It's 250 milligrams of CBD, and it says it's for 21 and over. And they also sent me a couple little cards. This first one, it shows their Instagram, which is Majik Stick MJKSTK. And then this card says, enjoy ultimate relaxation by relieving your aches and pains with Majik Stick. Each stick is made with love and handcrafted in small batches to ensure quality. The convenient roll-on applicator makes it easy to use and convenient for those that are always on the go. With a focus on ease of use, efficacy, and all natural high-quality ingredients, you'll be able to feel comfortable and confident using Majik Stick. Featuring 250 milligrams of full-spectrum CBD, Majik Stick is designed to be readily absorbed and help relieve your aches and pains. Our soothing consistency will not only help with localized muscle and joint pain, but also aids in decreasing inflammation, leaving your skin feeling soft and supple. Apply generously and as often as needed to the affected areas. There's 5 ingredients. It's a women-founded brand. And then it also says #find your strength. They also included a little note card, and I thought that was really nice that they did that. So yeah, let me go ahead and show you the actual product. So this is the Majik Stick. I really love the packaging of it. It's super lightweight, and it's small, so you can pop it in your purse, your backpack, your gym bag, because it's good for muscle soreness. After you've gone through a hard workout or something, you're always going to be sore, so it's good to apply this to that to help in your recovery. On the back, it just shows the directions, apply generously and as often as needed to the affected area. And then it talks about the ingredients, which I think is really awesome because it's 5 ingredients. It's beeswax, so it's not vegan, but because it has the beeswax in it. But then there's shea butter, coconut oil, grapefruit essential oil, and full spectrum CBD oil. That's it, 5 ingredients. So that's why I really wanted to try this. A lot of times when you're looking at CBD, there's a lot of added ingredients in lotions or balms or salves or anything like that. So it's nice that this is very few ingredients, and I think that that's really cool. It has a cool twist top, and then it has a twist bottom so you can twist the product up and down, but it's just a balm, and it smells like grapefruit, but it's not an offensive smell. You know how sometimes when you smell grapefruit or or any kind of citrusy scents on like products. It has sort of like a really like pungent, strong smell. This isn't like that. It's just very like light and fruity, and I really like that about this product because it also doesn't smell like, a lot of times like soothing products will have like that like Vicks Vapor Rubs kind of smell, but this doesn't. It smells really good, and I like that about it. I also wanted to tell you, some facts about the product. This CBD balm stick is $50, but I noticed that if you're a first-time customer on their website, you can sign up for 10% off. It says CBD stands for cannabidiol, a naturally occurring chemical compound derived from the cannabis plant. It imparts a feeling of relaxation and calms and aids in pain relief and reduces inflammation. So like I said, I use CBD mostly for my period cramps, but I've also been using this product for like lately I've been waking up and like my neck and shoulder, like this whole area from my neck and shoulder is like really like tight. And I think it's just from like sleeping weird on my pillow or something. So I've been applying this onto myself, and I've noticed like, shortly after that it like loosens up the muscle tension there. So I've really been liking it for that. And during my period, I get cramps like in my back and down my legs. So I put it on my lower back. Sometimes I'll put it on my upper back, and then I put it down my thighs as well, because that's a lot of times where it hurts. So I've definitely noticed like when I was using it, it helped to like soothe those areas so it wasn't so like tense and tight and didn't hurt so bad. So as far as the CBD goes that's in the Majik Stick, they use full spectrum CBD, which means it's a whole plant. That way you get the like all of the good bits, like whether it's the leaves or the stems or the flowers, all of that. You get all of the like cannabidiol properties from it. To make sure that there isn't any like THC, which is like naturally occurring in the product, they third party test it so that it's like less than 0.3%, so you don't have to worry about it getting you high. It definitely won't do that. Yeah, I just wanted to tell you guys about that because I know that a lot of times with CBD, people assume that there's THC in it, and this is tested so to make sure that there isn't anything in there that would make you high or anything like that. So you don't have to worry about that. There's no psychoactive effects. Another great thing about their CBD is that it's organic. There's no pesticides or fungicides, and it's also sustainably made up in Oregon, which is cool. So there's not any harm to the environment while producing this product. And I also asked them to make sure that they are cruelty free, and they assured me that they do not test on animals. So that is a really big plus, because why would you want to use a product that is tested on animals? There's no reason for that. Something that I also really love about this is, like I said, it's in this small like to-go container, and it's just in like this twist up stick form. So it's really cool because you're not getting any of it on your hands. A lot of times with the other CBD like lotions and salves and creams that I have, you get it on your hands and you have to wash it off afterwards. Whereas with this, it's cool because you can just apply it to the affected area. You don't have to get your hands all messy after using it. And I think that's really cool because it makes it easy for if you're on the go, you can like keep this at your office desk, if you're sitting there and maybe you get like pains in your arms, or maybe you get pains in your back from sitting at your desk chair all day or anything like that. You just keep it there, put it on, and then go back to business. So I think that's really cool about this, and I really like that. And that was definitely something that was really helpful when I was experiencing my really like painful cramps, is that I could just put this on and then lay back down, and then I was like good to go. So I really liked this for that, and I definitely like it for, when I had my like neck cramps that were going on from my weird pillow sleeping, and I just applied it on and then went back and went about my day. So I think that's really cool. It makes it really handy, and I like that about this. And another thing that I thought was really cool on their Instagram that they had just recently posted was that they were going to be donating a portion of all their sales in 2020 to help build a path forward for gender equality. And I think that that's really cool because it is like a woman-owned company, so they really wanted to focus on making sure that women are treated fairly and equally in the workplace, and that we shouldn't have to miss out on anything due to pain or anything like that. So I think that's really cool that they do that. I really appreciate that they are doing that. And yeah, I've just really been liking this. So far, I have no complaints about this. I think it's a really great product, and I'm so glad that they were so kind to send this to me. Thank you so much for doing that. I really appreciate it. I've had a lot of like CBD companies reach out to me, but I've never really felt like I clicked with them. Sometimes I would see ingredients that I just didn't really like, or I'd see like a long list of ingredients that I don't like, and I just never felt like it was anything that I wanted to try. But when I saw this and I saw how few ingredients there are, and when I saw that they are organic and sustainably made and that they're cruelty-free, I really liked that. So I'm really glad that I got to try this out. And I know it's only been like a couple weeks, but I'm definitely gonna be continuing to use this. Like I said, I always seem to end up like waking up and my neck hurting, so I'm definitely use this for that. And I'm gonna continue using this, you know, when it comes to be that time of the month again. Boo. But anyways, yeah, so I've really been enjoying this, and just because it's a pink color doesn't mean it's only for women. Men can definitely use this as well. I know CBD is kind of like a scary topic for people because it's always associated with marijuana and, you know, being like a stoner, but that's not what it's for. Literally anybody can use CBD. It's not going to get you high unless you purchase ones that contain THC in it. That's the stuff that gets you high. Regular CBD is not going to do that. You can literally be anybody that's using CBD. You could be a CEO, you could be a nanny, you could be a dog walker. I mean, heck, even my dog uses CBD. It's not just for stoners. You don't have to like think of it that way because it is really a beneficial product. I mean, personally for myself, I've noticed a huge difference when using CBD, like not only with my menstrual cramps, or like muscle pain, but because I have eczema, CBD is actually really good for relieving that. So if I get like a really bad like eczema flare up, I'll apply CBD on there, which I actually forgot to mention. I did do that with this. I had like an eczema spot like on my side and I applied this on there and it helped to like lessen that so it wasn't so crazy and it went away. So I thought that was awesome. But yeah, like I said, it's really helped with my menstrual cramps. It's helped with eczema, and also taking CBD has really benefited my anxiety. I mean, I started noticing that since using CBD for like the past like year and a few months, I've actually been able to stop biting my nails, which is like really cool. So I mean, that's like a really big deal. I've been biting my nails pretty much my entire life, and I've just noticed like since April, I have completely stopped biting them, and I grow them like every week. I just file them down and then I grow them back out for the next week and then file them down again. So like that's a really big deal for me because whenever I was really anxious, I mean, literally anytime I was anxious or bored or anything, I would just bite my nails. So now having taken CBD for so long, like it's really like benefited my life from that. So yeah, I'm a really big like fan of it. So yeah, CBD is definitely an interesting product, and I've really been liking using the Majik Stick form of it. I like that it's handy and easy to use, that you don't get your hands dirty with it, and that it smells really good. I love the smell of it. It's like, that's my favorite part of putting it on, is that it just like smells so like sweet and refreshing. But yeah, it's a really great product, and I'm so thankful that they sent this to me to try out. I know for sure I'm going to continue using this. And actually, like, one thing that I would request from them is that they come out with some type of like recycling program. I think that would be really awesome. That would be like, that would probably be my favorite thing if they came out with some type of recycling program for these, because it is plastic. But yeah, I think that's my only request from them. Otherwise, I really like using this product, and I think it's like perfect how it is. And if I didn't like it, I would let you guys know, but I do really like this product. I think it's great. If you're interested in using CBD for pain relief or anything like that, definitely check this one out. I think that this is a great product. It's a good price, and you get what you pay for. So you're paying for organic ingredients, you're paying for sustainability, and you're paying for a product that is cruelty-free, which is very important. So yeah, I hope that you guys found this video informative and interesting, and maybe it will give you an idea of something to try out if you experience pain like I do. And yeah, if you guys have any questions about it, definitely let me know in the comments below. I'm happy to answer any questions. And then also check out their Instagram page, which is at Majik Stick. I'll link down below as well, and check out their website and, you know, do all that. If you have any questions, I'm sure they're happy to answer. Usually when I write to them on Instagram, it probably takes like less than an hour for them to get back to me. So they're really responsive if you have any, you know, questions on anything. So yeah, I hope that you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you in the next one. Bye everyone.